Hi guys, I keep receiving requests about my gluten-free bread recipe in and outside Facebook, and I want to share with you how I make no need gluten-free and dairy-free bread. So I'm going to use my stand mixer. So let's start. So this one is what I'm using. It's a nutri-free, gluten-free flour. So it's 1 kilo. What we will do is I will use only half 500 grams of this one. Let's start. Okay. So you can use whatever gluten-free flour you have. So I'm going to use only 500 grams. Okay, now I already put here my 500 grams of flour. Now I will put gluten-free yeast from Sharp. 1 packet of this is good for 500 grams of flour. So I'm using 500 and 1 packet of this one. Okay, does it work? Now, salt. This is a Himalayan salt, unrefined. So, you can also add sugar if you want. It's optional for the additional crisp and color, but I choose to don't put. So now I'm going to put this on my stand mixer. So let's put it. Now I transfer them. This goes to oven, and this one in the bread machine. It's okay.